Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney and I just finished making a video about what you should think about when choosing to bring your claim in federal court versus state court. I forgot one very important factor: statute of limitations. So, to get into federal court with a workplace discrimination or workplace sexual harassment claim, depending on where you are, you either have 180 or 300 days to get filed with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Now, you need to file with the EEOC, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, in order to get a right to sue letter, which will allow you to file in federal court. If you miss your statute of limitations because it is absurdly short, like 180 days and 300 days, do not really take into account how the human brain suffers and processes trauma. Like that is routinely something that we see, like where cases are very egregious, they miss that statute of limitations because that's just human beings take time to like get a feel for what happened to them, to digest it and get a hold of it. So if you blow your federal statute of limitations, your decision is going to probably be made for you because in most states, not all, but most, the statute of limitations is substantially longer than the federal statute of limitations on these claims. Like New York State, it's like 3 years. And that's, there's a lot of fairly common similar statute of limitations across the country. It varies from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. So, check your local laws, check with local counsel. But if you blow your federal statute of limitations, and that's an aggressive way of saying it, if you miss your federal statute of limitations, if you're outside of it and you can no longer file your case in federal court, well, you don't have to do all the other thinking that I talked about in that video from yesterday. You just say, okay, my federal claims are extinguished. Unless something new happens, there's not going to be anything within the federal statute of limitations, so I can't file in the EEOC, and so I can't go on to federal court with these claims. And there's still some federal claims you can bring without the EEOC. Talk to your attorney about that. Like there's some stuff to talk about there, but you're not going to get your headliner claims, your real run-of-the-mill workhorse claims for federal litigation will probably not be there. So you might end up choosing to go state court in that scenario, depending on where you are. Obviously, that is, as all decisions between federal and state court are, a detail-driven decision that you need to engage in with your counsel, take into account the details of your situation and the details of state and local law where you are and all the things, right? But I thought I should clarify this because it is a glaring flaw in the video that I released yesterday in terms of that determination. This is one of the biggest factors which would determine if you're going to be filing in federal or state court, the statute of limitations, and your viability of your claim in that statute of limitations. All right? Anyways, be good. I hope this is helpful. Like, subscribe, comment down below. It helps me to help more people just like you.